Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So the service electronic throttle control, guys, okay. Message, what you need to check, we need to demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram. What we guys need to do, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Once you open the hood here on the driver's side, okay, we need to, that's your car battery. In front of it you have the main fuse box here. Press these two tabs, open that cover, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So if you have that service electronic throttle control, many things can cause it. Please, guys, make sure to stand till the end. We want to give you one quick advice, that way you don't want to get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. First, we need to check multiple fuses, okay? That's fuse number 6. That you need to check right here, guys. Very important fuse. If that fuse is bad, okay, it's often, okay, you can get that message too. 26 is another one that you need to check, and then that 72, 3, 4, 5, 6, fuse number 76 will need to be checked. Also you need to check 21, 22, 64, 63, 57, 72, 78 and 79. If any of these fuses is bad, often you can get service electronic throttle control. That's practically your throttle body, guys. But if one of these fuses is bad, it can activate that. If you have problem with ABS traction control module, it can activate even message for service electronic throttle control. So make sure if you worked on your car that you plugged wires correctly, push them all the way in. Make sure the throttle body is connected as well. If not, it could be a bad throttle body. We have multiple videos on our YouTube channels how to test throttle body if you need to find out if it's bad. But if it's not a bad fuse, check connections. If it's not, it's very likely you have a bad throttle body. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.